Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Howlogical. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to log into your JP Morgan Chase employee portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your default browser, then search JP Morgan Chase employee portal. Then go to the first link that pops up or go to me.jpmorganchase.com. It will then take you to the official website of JP Morgan Chase. Then type your standard ID. Then press continue. Then type your password and press continue. Then you should be able to access your employee portal. This was for today's video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.
Thanks.